Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm at Apex 2017 in San Diego, and I'm joined by Sharon Stone from IPC. Sharon, market research, what's been blowing your mind? What's been exciting the market research team at IPC recently?
Well, actually there's something in the making right now that I think is going to be very exciting. It's a program that we have given a working title of Pulse of the Electronics Industry. And we think there's a need for some kind of broad data tracking that gives us a feel for the health of the industry, how it's doing right now, as well as some insight into the near future in terms of growth prospects.
Okay.
And so we're hoping to develop a statistical program of sorts that all IPC member companies can participate in, all those that are in the manufacturing sector, so from OEMs, all their suppliers, PCB fabricators, EMS, everybody worldwide. And we're going to be probably publishing quarterly reports on the results of the data that we collect. And in fact, we have an open meeting tomorrow for executives of IPC member companies that will give them a chance to have direct input into how this program develops. We want their ideas about what metrics to track, what's important to know in order to judge the health of the industry and where it's going. And so that's their chance to get in on the ground floor, and even members who are who would like to be involved in that process but won't be able to attend the meeting here tomorrow are invited to contact me. Because I'd like to get their input.
And was this driven by the executive committee initially saying we need this quarterly thing, or is it something you've created internally? What was the spark behind it?
I think it's sort of gradually dawned on me based on questions that I get from members. You know, kind of how are we doing? I mean, apart from just sales are up, sales are down. Sort of a more a deeper picture, a more comprehensive picture of how the industry is doing, both in terms of not only growth but also its expansion of capabilities and other things that that make for long-term success.
And what's your timeline like? And you know, you've got your open meeting tomorrow. You'll, I guess, go some way to identifying the parameters you need and then building a process. When would you estimate first report would hit the streets?
I'd say probably within 6 months, because I think we can probably get the program developed and get a survey out within the next couple of months, and then start this quarterly process and start publishing reports. So
that's good. That's a really nice. It's a nice, fast process, and it's interesting because, you know, as I mentioned off camera, the industry is looking wholeheartedly at data, how we get data from the manufacturing process, how we share that data, how we provide it. So actually reflecting that broad data requirement in a report is, I think, is really exciting. What other reports have you got coming to market in the short term?
We have a couple of major studies coming out in the next few months. Within the next month or so, we're going to publish our 2016 PCB technology trend study, which we do every 2 years. And it just kind of tracks the progress on some things that are shifting technologically, particularly in areas like miniaturization. Also in the use of newer or special technologies such as embedding, optical channels, and that type of thing. And so it includes both a sort of a status report on where we are today on those things, as well as the industry's view of where we're likely to be in 5 years. So that'll be interesting to see when it comes out, and probably within the next month.
It's good reading for anybody that's in that sector that wants to make strategic decisions about where they're going. Where they go, but for them to figure out where they're going this year and where demand's going to shift. Fantastic.
And then we do every 2 years also, we do a wage and salary study for the electronics assembly industry, which includes EMS companies as well as OEMs that do assembly, and for North America. And so that's a report that people like to get when it comes out, because it helps them set their salaries and understand their competitive position with respect to recruitment.
And where the trends are going, and hopefully it'll show everybody that we're earning a bit more and working a little bit less. That would be the ideal there, but I suspect, I don't know, sometimes it doesn't feel like that's the case. Sharon, thanks for your time. The new report, particularly Pulse of the Industry, sounds really exciting. I look forward to hearing more about that, and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Phil.